Is this that legendary Ozark D2 crossbar lock? Let's check it out. Here it is, the crossbar lock from Ozark Trails. Pretty excited. Here it is packaged. Looks nearly identical to that. Pretty cool. But, oh, that's pretty smooth. Look at that. This is actually a good looking knife. Not gonna lie. And guess how, I'm not even telling you how much this was. I'm going to tell you at the end of the video because this actually blew my mind. So, starting off with the handle. We got a polypropylene handle. It's kind of whitish. It's not like solid white. It's got more of a dirty white look, I guess you'd call it. And then it's also got your famous crossbar lock. That sucker is beautiful. It's extremely smooth outside the box, which I do like that. That's nice. Another thing is it has just a standard deep carry pocket clip. It's not reversible, but nothing wrong with that. It's got a little spot that you can tie some rope to carry it around if you wanted to do that. It's up to you. Now, the only thing I think is I don't think this is your D2 steel. Now, there is some of these that are D2 steel that I was excited and I've really been trying to get my hands on, but I can't seem to find them because they're always out of stock. But this one is just a standard, I'm guessing, stainless steel blade. No hidden marking saying it's D2 anywhere on here, as far as I can tell. But as for just a pocket knife straight out of the box, oh, is this a good pickup? So far, yeah. But let's see how sharp it is. So we're going to try to go really nice and slow, get the most accurate reading as possible. Make sure it's lined straight up and down. What is that? 220? It's not outrageously sharp out of the package. It does feel sharp though. Hair test. This one at least isn't getting any hair test. So 220 probably is pretty realistic. Good news, bad news. Bad news, it's not like your outrageous most sharpest knife in the box. Good news is this thing is $5. $5. Pretty good knife. You got a great locking system. It's really smooth. It's a stainless steel knife blade for $5. You can easily sharpen this as sharp as you want it. Use it as just the old beater knife and carry it around for you. Toss it as soon as it doesn't have its smooth action and use another brand new one and not even care how much you spent on it because it was $5. Is this a good buy? I would say yes. Especially the crossbar lock one. For sure, for $5, go out there, get you one. It will withhold probably as long as a $5 knife should. But you can get 3 of them, 15 bucks. Have probably a year's supply if you're lucky. Anyways, thanks for watching. Love this knife. It's actually pretty cool.